Alright, we are entering the Terrible's car wash on Wigwam. So, here we go.
It's free on your birthday.
And, if it's your birthday, you get a free car wash at Terrible's. And here we are entering the car wash. And, okay. So they're going to, sweep, I guess? They're gonna clean it, I guess? Yeah, they're gonna clean it. And, there's soap on this window. So, it says, please put, I guess, car neutral, front brake, lower antenna, hands off wheel. And, this is being shot from the Sony CyberShot DSC TX10. And, my battery's at 2 bars, and these things, I don't know what they're called. They're gonna wipe it off. And, all these windows are filled with soap, and here comes the wash cycle. And, okay. Look over here, once the camera focuses. And, that thing is loud. Look at that, there's soap all over the windows. We can't see from the windows, there's soap everywhere, and now we can see. Alright, so they're gonna rinse. And here we come to the end of the car wash. Oh, look at that, there's, we're going down a, what is this? Going down a water,
It's a dryer.
dryer. Okay. So, here we come to the end. And here we come to the blow dryers.